Connecting the threads, establishing effective communication channels. In the time-sensitive world of bid management, effective communication is an absolute necessity. It is the lifeblood of a successful bid team, ensuring that information flows seamlessly, decisions are made efficiently, and the team works in harmony towards a common goal. It's about creating a connected and collaborative environment where team members feel informed, engaged, and empowered. The dangers of ineffective communication. The absence of effective communication can lead to a multitude of problems. Miscommunication and misunderstandings. Lack of clarity can lead to errors and missed deadlines. Imagine the sales lead tells the technical team they need high scalability, but doesn't define what that means. The technical team designs a solution for 1,000 users, but the client actually needed a solution for 10,000. This misunderstanding, born from vague language, could lead to a massive project rework or a non-compliant proposal. Information silos. Team members may work in isolation, leading to a disjointed proposal. Think of a scenario where the finance team finalizes the pricing model without consulting the technical team. The technical solution is robust but requires resources that exceed the allocated budget. Because of this siloed work, the final proposal presents a great solution and a great price, but the two don't align, which the client's evaluation team will quickly spot. Delays and inefficiencies. Ineffective communication can cause delays in decision-making and slow down the bid process. A bid manager sends a critical decision-making email to a large group of people without a clear call to action. People either don't respond, or they respond with conflicting information, causing a week-long delay while the team tries to sort through the confusion. A quick, focused meeting would have resolved the issue in an hour. Conflict and tension. Poor communication can contribute to misunderstandings and tension within the team. Consider a situation where one team member doesn't respond to a colleague's email for 2 days. The colleague assumes they're being ignored, leading to frustration. In reality, the email was sent to an incorrect address. This simple communication breakdown creates unnecessary tension and damages team morale. Key considerations for communication channels. When establishing communication channels, consider these key aspects. Team size and structure. The communication channels you choose should be adapted to the size and structure of your bid team. For a small team of 3 to 5 people working in the same office, a simple daily stand-up meeting and a shared document might be sufficient. But for a large, complex bid with 20 people across different departments, you'll need more structured communication, like a weekly progress meeting, a dedicated project management tool, and clear email protocols. The size of your team dictates the level of formality and the types of channels you need. Bid complexity and timeline. The complexity of the bid and the timeline for completion will also influence your communication needs. A simple, low-value bid with a 2-month timeline may only require weekly check-ins. However, a highly complex, high-value bid with a 2-week turnaround will demand much more intensive communication. You'll likely need daily huddles, real-time collaboration tools, and a very strict communication protocol to ensure no critical information is missed under pressure. Team member location. If team members are geographically dispersed, it is crucial to establish communication channels that facilitate remote collaboration. If your bid team includes members in different cities or even different countries, relying solely on in-person meetings is impossible. You must proactively select tools like video conferencing, shared online workspaces, and instant messaging to bridge the distance. You might even have to schedule meetings at times that accommodate different time zones, so everyone can participate and stay connected. Communication preferences. As a leader, you should consider the communication preferences of individual team members and try to accommodate them where possible. You may have a veteran subject matter expert who prefers detailed emails, while a younger team member might prefer quick updates via a chat application. A great bid manager will accommodate both. They'll know to send the detailed information in an email, but also use the chat to provide a quick heads up, ensuring everyone receives information in their preferred way while still having a single source of truth. Technology and tools. Finally, you must select appropriate technology and tools to support effective communication. The right tools can make all the difference. For a large bid with many moving parts, you wouldn't just rely on email. You would choose a project management tool like Asana or Trello to track tasks, a collaboration platform like Microsoft Teams for real-time communication, and a cloud-based document sharing service like Google Drive for seamless collaboration. The key is to choose tools that support the specific needs of your team and your bid. A framework for communication channels. A framework for communication planning can be used to guide the process. Communication planning. Identify communication needs and goals, stakeholders, and frequency. Establishing communication channels. This includes scheduling regular team meetings, kickoff meetings, and review meetings. Implementing communication practices. Emphasize active listening, clear and concise communication, and open dialogue. Monitoring and improvement. Regularly assess the effectiveness of communication channels and gather feedback from the team. Tools and modalities for communication. A variety of tools can support effective communication within a bid team. Project management tools. Platforms like Asana, Trello, and Monday.com allow for task management, tracking, and collaboration. Communication platforms. Instant messaging platforms like Slack and Microsoft Teams enable real-time communication. Document sharing and collaboration tools. Platforms such as Google Drive and Microsoft SharePoint are essential for sharing and managing documents, ensuring version control. Email communication. Services like Microsoft Outlook and Gmail are used for formal communication and information sharing. Key takeaways. The glue of teamwork. Establishing effective communication channels is not merely a logistical consideration, it is the glue that holds the bid team together. It is the foundation for collaboration, coordination, and shared understanding. By implementing a robust communication framework, organizations can create a communication-rich environment that empowers their bid teams to deliver winning proposals.